Here we go, I've got 7 Hearthstone packs ready to open. Who knows what I'm gonna get, so I might as well do a wee pack opening. Try and find out if we get any good legendaries or anything like that. So here we go. Alright. That's rubbish. I mean, I like my Murlocs, but come on. The 2 fucking cannons. Ooh. Oh, 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 oh. Are you joking me? Another cannon? What the fuck is this? Am I fucking troll? Right. 5 left. Is this going to be an absolute disappointment? Oh, a golden mech warper! And another mech warper! And a clockwork gnome! These cards are rubbish. I want some legendary, give me some. Oh, I feel special. Oh, 2 rares. Power mace and a vitality totem. And a clockwork gnome. God, I love those clockwork gnomes. Fucking wank shafts. Oh, epic! Destroyer. Yeah, blah 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 blah. Not bad. I don't actually play rogue, so you know, let's make this enchant that for extra dust. Oh, there. Okay. Nothing special. Come on, last one. I'll leave this one a bit. Legendary. I don't actually want to look at these. Oh, that was rare. Well, that was not rare. Let's see. Oh! Crush, destroy a minion if you have a damage minion. Not bad. And this one's a legendary. This one right in the middle is a legendary. Close enough. Jeeves, everybody loves a Jeeves.